Oshe Premier League na ye boy na. Arsenal lead Premier League no for the long period. And a Manchester City be power. Now Omode J treble. A Arsenal say Omode Manchester City no, they are the standard in the Premier League. Now see we and them say nkoma yin na yedi ni say ni Arsenal e joso no man kakra bia they will get closer to Manchester City. And here Joss ben say Omode players of proven quality eba be ka ho. Into him man actually say Kai Havertz they send akumia kai no di kan kra oba na say so ko twa timba e wa Ajax ntinom ko fa jure timba inti Arsenal ne de nka about transfer window we are what came out of Arsenal's camp primarily Mira no Declan Rice obo Arsenal din bia transfer window we are Declan Rice never Arsenal added a bid of 75 million guaranteed and 15 million add-ons totaling 90 million pounds. Declan Rice and kind 1 year. Much checking the contract.
David.
Now 90 million pounds. No. West Ham's your money.
Am I rejecting?
Arsenal Gusu didn't come out. What I've been briefed, and they say Arsenal are getting closer to an agreement on the right fee with Manchester with West Ham.
100, you know.
Echino. Omu pushi ako 100 na senebe ya ombinyas number 2. Na that's sorry ya. Manchester City lodge bid ene for Declan Rice. So when they do that, what it means is that omo bo abrausun. Yebe kan semwe na akomia mu teche no mo to boba park so. There is a reason why we were the only one who were able to compete them.
Liverpool.
There is a reason.
Are they?
Yenya players they performed at the level Odrin Hua now Ntiase. And they were lucky with injuries. Anytime at Liverpool and Manchester City, I go toe to toe biano. Liverpool players nim prepra. Anytime you prepare biano, toe to toe. You need that bit of luck.
Okay.
And then you need your players to perform above normal. To shall listen. Here now Liverpool G League in the Fabinho. That's our comments in so.
Yeah.
Last season, last 2 seasons, the Omulusu on the last day, no. Salamo. So, my brother, why would Manchester City do this? They are killing the competition internally. They be Arsenal aben on. Jeffrey. They don't need him, do they? They don't. Seba double 8er. Gandogan Beko, Bernardo Beko. Oman replace someone they can quickly push people up. For the name drop him fin with De Bruyne. Remember double 8. Remember David Silva, Kevin De Bruyne of late. Ana Fernandinho don't much. This time around it will be Rodri. Then they will get their attackers to open up and play.
Man City.
Easily. But look at them. Inti Ujidi said Declan Rice. On can be being Manchester City semi. So that argument that he's only hell bent on playing for Arsenal, Manchester City Maya who say it's not true. Sika ea de PB1 PB1 the best joke get be them will be under that.
Because now me can be there. I'm me I convinced and say City proposal no on person the Calvin Phillips cry e ka ho. Ebasa West Ham says Declan Rice score money replacement.
Now, West Ham were receptive to Manchester United's idea of Scott McTominay and Harry Maguire. And these are inferior players. Now look at Calvin Phillips. Another inferior player. But for their level, Ombenya player, Asan Jessica Kessie, because they know who would replace Declan Rice.
SOMPA Sports.
Matthew Guendouzi.
Okay.
Marseille. On never be replacing Declan Rice. But Manchester City are knocking. Why would they knock? Because maybe